Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. This guide video will show you how to add Bitcrush in Audacity. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Bitcrush. Then click on the official Bitcrush website. If you are a Mac user, click here to start the Crush download. If you are a Windows user, click here. Once the download is complete, double-click to run the Crush installer. Select your preferred language and click OK. After reading the agreement, check the I accept the agreement box and click Next. In this step, click Next again. Click Next one last time. Then click the Install button to start the installation. Next step, close the installer and open Audacity. Click the Effects tab from the menu above. And open Plugin Manager. Then type Crush into the search bar to ensure it's successfully installed. If Crush doesn't appear in your searches, click the Reskin button to reskin the plugins. Also, make sure the Enabled box is checked. You can now close the Plugin Manager page. The next step is to import your audio file into Audacity or record audio in Audacity. Then, press Ctrl and A keys to select the entire audio file. And click the Effect tab in the menu above. Then, open Crush. Here you can find some default settings. Or you can customize the settings yourself by experimenting with your own audio file. I hope this guide video was informative and helpful. If so, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.